What up, fool? It's your girl Cream, man. And today, we unboxing them Nike Dunk Low Fruity Pebbles, the LeBron James version, edition, whatever it is, man. That's kind of what we got. See if we got anything special coming out that box. Nope. Regular old box, man. See, this is the first mistake, I believe, because they should have gave us some Fruity Pebbles, a Fruity Pebble box. That would have set that thing off, man. But we got a 7.5. It's habanero red, laser blue, and white colorway, man. Let's get this thing open. I already see a purple lace spilling out the top, so we know we got some purple laces coming. And voila, this is the shoe. You got your Fruity Pebble effect on the laces. You got your Fruity Pebble effect inside. All right, let's see what else we got going on. It kind of reminds me of the Bart Simpson dunks a little bit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You got your LeBron James logo on the back. You got your Fruity Pebble logo right here on the tongue. That icy bottom, though, man. That bottom is icy as ever. Let's get the other shoe out, see what goodies we got to come with it. All right, hold on. So I see we got some extra laces that they just tossed in there. They didn't care. They just tossed them in there. So we got purple laces and we got some blue laces. Let me get this box closed. Not quite sure why we got the purple laces. I'm not really digging those that much, but put them in there and see how they look. But the white laces, I definitely know why we got those. I don't even know if I would rock them with them Fruity Pebbles or not. I don't know, y'all. I don't think this is one I'm gonna keep. I think I'm gonna pass on these. I'm just being honest. I wanted to get them out, wanted to see what they look like, and I'm still not feeling them. How y'all feel? Did y'all cop? Did y'all drop? It's a drop for me. I'm gonna take these, try to swap it out, and help my baby get some. That's the plan. Swap out, get her some, man. That's what we gonna do with these. But we got the Fruity Pebble Dunks. LeBron James. It's your girl Cream. Kicks rule everything around me. Y'all be patient. Your time is coming. I'm out.